One traffic source that not too many people know about is Plenty of Fish, and that's actually the name of the website, but the URL is pof.com, which stands for Plenty of Fish, and this is actually one of the most popular free dating websites out there, and they serve billions of impressions. Now, why is this good traffic? Well, you can get super targeted. Dating sites have as much data as you'll find anywhere for advertising, and they will let you target almost anybody. Okay, another reason this is a good traffic source is that it is cheap. You can easily get clicks for 5 cents and below, and you can advertise almost anything. And this is a great place also to find out who is interested in your offer. And if you want to advertise on the site, you just scroll down below and just click on advertise here. Okay, so the key to success in advertising on the site is to use extreme targeting and to test a bunch of different groups.